Right, in this last example for section 2.3, we are going to take the information that's given to us in our frequency and relative frequency table and use that to identify our central angles and to label our pie chart that we see here. So the following data represent the colors of 25 starbursts taken out of a large bag. Right, use the given information to calculate the central angles. Correctly label each piece of the given pie chart based on your calculations. All right, so to calculate central angles, a circle is a full 360 degrees. So if we're going to calculate the center angles, we're going to take the relative frequency and we're going to multiply it by 360 degrees. So for this first one, we're going to take 0.28 times 360 and we get 100.8 degrees. We're going to take 0.24 times 360 and we're going to get 86.4 degrees. We're going to take 0.16 times 360. That's going to give us 57.6 degrees. And then we're going to take 0.32 times 360 to get 115.2 degrees. We've talked before about tallying different things in our tables. So if we add up our entire frequency, it should give us 25 because that was our original amount. If we add up all of our relative frequencies, that should give us 1 or 100%. And if we add up all of these central angles, it should give us, even if we're not exact, if we're off a little bit by rounding, it should give us 360 degrees. So again, as you're working through these, there's a bunch of different ways to kind of double check your math and your arithmetic. Feel free to use those to help you out. All right, so when it comes to labeling our pie chart, generally I think the easiest thing to do is start by the largest and the smallest piece. Our smallest piece is the yellow piece, so that one's going to go down here. Our largest appears to be this one up here. That is going to be pink. That's our highest frequency, relative frequency, and central angle. Then looking at these other two, this one looks to be a little bit larger than that one. So this is going to be the red, and then we're going to have orange to finish this off. Okay. So feeling comfortable with your pie charts, being able to recognize different things, calculate different relative frequencies, identify central angles, things along those lines. You're going to see a few different types of homework questions that cover kind of all of these concepts over section 2.3 about our pie chart and then also about our previously discussed bar chart for categorical variables.